Saturday, 4:20 in the morning, getting up for the hike. Somebody back.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Just on your right side, you see that hump. That's the Camel Rock. During the winters, this parking lot is usually full, but today it's pretty empty. This is the place you park and you start your hike. So I'll share this location in the description of this video. Just need to reduce the load from my backpack. I'll keep this larger bottle in the car, and yeah, I'll just carry 1 liter water. It's a short hike, so I've got 2 boxes of sandwich for myself and the guys. I'll carry the hat, and that's it. I don't need anything else. Here we have Vilas, then we have Anil, and then we have Rahul, all working for the same company but different divisions, different roles. So after parking here, you have to just walk till here, and then there's this hole in the fencing. You have to cross the fencing from here, and then now we can see another new fencing that has been put up. This was not there previously. This has been put up really recently, and it goes all the way. I do not think we'll be able to cross on the other side for the hike. I am not sure how we are going to start this hike now. We didn't see this early, but once we crossed the first fence, or when we parked and started moving towards the hike, we saw this new fence. Let's see what happens now. No, this is the only way. I mean, you just walk down there and you move into the valley. मला नाही वाटत वरती जाऊन पण काही फायदा आहे. एक जण 2 जण जावा, सगळे नको जायला. काय म्हणतो? काय जाऊया सगळे? चला सगळे जाऊ. काय त्या माणसाकरता वेट करायचंय? तो आलाय ना तिकडे, त्याला विचारू ना आपण. एकटाच आहे तो मला वाटतं, आणि कॉन्फिडंट आहे एकदम जायला. सो I think त्याला माहित आहे. Until we reach Sharjah, it will be hotter. So I mean, it's better we just maybe try here and see if this opens up somewhere.
एक ऑप्शन है
काय?
ते घर दिसतोय का? तिथून वॉक कर जावं लागेल, मोलटे यावं लागेल. नाही उधर तो की है ना, उसके आगे भी दिख रहा है, बट देयर विल बी सम वे टू कम ऑन दैट साइड. So maybe we can go walk that side and then enter area.
We don't know, and it's too far to walk. Plus it's sandy, so it's too far. This is much closer. Let's see. We'll take our chance here. We feel so stupid right now. There's an opening right here, and we just missed it. Yeah, I hope it's for the hikers and they keep it throughout the season and don't lock it. नहीं, वो अभी गैल्वनाइजिंग में गया रहेगा मेश, तो डेफिनेटली आज नहीं मिलेगा. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने टांग दिया रहेगा उसको. काय? हाँ, इकडने खाली जाऊ आज. So instead of going parallel to the fence, I mean, first you cross the first fence and then you cross the second fence, and then you just come to the right side and then you'll see this path. Yeah, just go down from here. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's the sun. Now you just keep walking these expanse, the plains of Camel Rock, until you reach the start point in the valley. I'll share the valley start point location as well in the description, just to guide you through this plain, because there are several tiny hills here which might mislead you, take you into some other valley. So just to get to the correct valley and to the correct start point. I think next time we'll have to come along with the backup plan for Sharjah. So we'll just start, we'll come here, we'll see if the fence is still open, and if they have not put the full fence, then we'll do this hike or just do the Sharjah.
I featured this Mleiha trail for a few of my articles, and this is always a fun place to visit.
Yeah, I've seen the Arabian red fox very frequently. Even if I go biking on Kudra or Nadal Shiba, I'll spot the foxes.
Like
I think March and April you can still come.
Were good time.
Yeah,
March and April.
March you can see. I think we
Rally is such a good
Vilas आपण March पर्यंत hike केली होती ना last year. March end पर्यंत ना. Yeah, we hiked till March end last year. Vilas आज plateau ला नको जायला ना. Plateau left side चा. टॉप करू, फोटो काढू, स्नॅक्स and come back. हो, ऊन वाढेल.
10 मिनिटं गेले ते पण महत्त्वाचे गेले.
हो,
10-15 मिनिटं गेले.
महत्त्वाचे गेले हो. So that's the valley. Looks very tiny from here. It is tiny, but yeah, it's a steep climb. You have to climb diagonally up on the rock. There's no defined path. There are multiple paths you can take. Yeah, so every time you hike you take a different path, but then yeah, I mean, you know the gradient or the way you are going to go up, so you just get used to it and you follow the same thing for your next hike. I've been doing it that way since the last 3 years now. Yeah, so this is the start point of the valley. I'm going to share this location in the description. Just keep to your right. Right is better, or else you have to again make the big cross over later. So instead just stick to the right and keep climbing. Decathlon madun. Very good. खायला काय आणलंय?
banana.
आणि चिक्की? काय राहुल? Look at this rock. It's having an interesting color. Might be metamorphic. As you can see, most of the hike is within this valley, so it provides a good shade from sun, and you end up hiking mostly in shade while you're going up. Even while coming down, it's not that bad. Yeah. Vilas just spotted a fox. I don't think I'll get it in this video, but it's there. I saw it as well. Always nice to see some wildlife in the natural habitat. Hey, shitty काय मारते? Hey, काय? Very well camouflaged. Yeah, let's see if we can spot it. So yeah, now the real climb starts in the diagonal way. Just remember, before you hit the sand, you start climbing towards your right, and that's the top over there, and this is the route you have to follow. This is summit 1. You can see the vast expanse of the Mleiha desert. But hikes आणि outdoor साठी Nalgene शिवाय काहीच नाही.
पानी है यार.
पानी का काम सिर्फ पानी ही कर सकता है. Once a great person said. In which movie was that?
ऊपर से कपड़ा क्या पहनते हैं इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बॉडी कैसी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
ये क्या है? ये किधर से आया डायलॉग?
पानी और वो बॉटल.
जब भी मेट. काल मी कुठला पिक्चर बघितला माहितीये का? दीवाने हुए पागल. One of my favorite.
कॉमेडी.
Have you seen that, Anil? मतलब उसका कॉमेडी का लेवल कुछ अलग ही है, मालूम है क्या? और उसको इतना एप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिला है वो मूवी को. What is original name? I thought Arya was the original name.
His actual name is Jamshad.
Jamshad, huh? Oh, nice.
He's from Calicut.
Oh, he's from Calicut. Okay. So these are two routes. One is this left side where there is some scree. You can just go up till there and then climb up, or you can just climb up from here, from this rock, which is more fun, gives me confidence. Almost at the top. Be careful while you climb on these rocky patches. A lot of them are having these crevices and having air pockets, so you have to be careful. They are brittle. Rahul ने finally t-shirt काढलेला आहे.
बेल बॉटम बघितला का?
नाही रे, रिलीज झाला का तो?
झालं ना.
कशावर? Amazon वरती आहे?
नाही
मग
याच्या थिएटर्स मध्ये.
हे थिएटर मध्ये काय बेल बॉटम बघायला जायचे?
बैन है.
क्यों?
अरे वो मिडिल ईस्ट में बैन है.
अच्छा हाँ, यूएई का ही कुछ दिखाया ना उसके अंदर.
दुबई का मतलब यूएई में हुआ है.
I booked tickets for Shang-Chi, by the way.
Yeah, man.
You?
Haven't. I'm waiting for the proper reviews, the audience reviews.
Arey, what reviews, man? Asian superhero, first time in Marvel, and that trailer looks amazing. So just booked it. Anil bhai has got his drone. We are going to fly a drone here. Those are his registrations for the drone. So we are not doing anything illegal here. That you can be assured of.
नाइस मैन.
Started the descent. Just wore my hat. The sun was just getting unbearable. Now it feels much better, cooler. Always use a hat which is a bucket type or covered from all the sides. Also, you can get a hat which is having flaps on the sides so that you cover your neck in such a heat. It really helps. We just spend a lot of time up there eating our snacks, shooting some drone videos. So yeah, got slightly late, but not very late. It's just too hot. It's still just too hot. It will get cooler, and maybe by next month, in a couple of weeks. But yeah, if you start early, it should be okay. The hike should be doable. Done with the hike. Pretty hot out here right now. Whew. Damn it. I finished all my 1 liter bottle, so another 1.5 liter bottle is in the car, and it's cool because I took it out of the refrigerator, so I'm in for a treat, hopefully.